hanging phase. Doing some training here with our summer intern, just on proper heights and hanging. We've got this lovely piece of artwork coming into the living room. You can see the entryway, the handmade baskets. Final staging elements waiting here to put into place. And this unit will be all set and ready to deliver to the owner. Can't wait for the big reveal. One of the most impressive aspects of these beautiful condominiums at SEAVIEW Amapas is this lovely secluded hillside location, and then the outstanding views of the bay ahead. These terraces are large enough to accommodate seating, a dining room, and for this owner we have installed a beautiful handmade black hammock. It's just outside the master. Everything you need is on this covered terrace space, leading off to the master bedroom, and then literally panoramic views of the stunning Bay of Banderas overlooking downtown Puerto Vallarta. Every moment spent in this condo is infused with absolute mountain fresh air coming from this tropical rainforest, leading directly out from the front doors up into the mountains. Absolutely spectacular views. We maintain rigorous protocols for every aspect of our install, and a training process that allows senior crews to mentor our newest members and make sure that our art hanging and all of our living services are done exactly according to our protocol. Final sleep is still level, and these are 55 We are loving how this masterful primary bedroom retreat came out. It just looks so pretty, and these huge front sliders pulling back with soft curtains, and this lovely hammock in the space of the terrace. Unspoiled views of the bay. It is the most tranquil and restful space to spend your vacation day. Reflect on this. Walk in to find your primary bedroom, a masterful retreat, electronics hung, beautiful mirror reflecting the view, beds all made up, linens clean, placed to exact property management specs, a stunning hammock outside, and a really restful setup. There are still art murals to come in this bedroom, and they will significantly change the way the room looks, but it's already pretty stunning. Okay, final touch on this install is this beautiful hammock with a custom mount here on the terrace curtain wall, giving full access to this stunning, unspoiled view of the Bay of Banderas. Just imagine sitting out here on a cool summer afternoon, checking out your new vacation property from this view.